definitely the most active I've ever seen her be with this. What do you think of him, Harpy? Are we cooing at him? Sure, pretty. There's those butterflies. Get him, get him, get him. Let's turn you around. Could you get him, get him, get him? What now? Tell him hi. Say hi, Mr. Butterfly. What do you think, Harpy? Might be breaking down now. What's that? That's really neat, Mama. What is that? Very interested in that one. How about this one? Nope, pretty much the one butterfly. Are you smiling at him? Oh, and you're getting your nice flowers? How fun! Get him, get him, get him, get him. Mommy has had this toy for probably, I think I got it the second week she came home. Today's pretty much the first day I think she's ever really shown an interest. She's cooing at the things and was smiling at everything. What's that? What's that? What's that? Maybe getting frustrated. Maybe getting frustrated. What? Say hi, Mr. Butterfly. Alright, we're breaking down.